I am in Springfield, Missouri, in front of the home of Patty and Chris. And Chris and I are getting ready to do a 3-day trip. He's going to be leading the way to the start of the KATY Trail in Clinton, Missouri. And so yeah. All right, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Kind of a fun house here, isn't it? Memory Lane. Got a clubhouse there for Bike Man. And then they just keep coming. A bike fence. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Just on our way outside of Springfield. Bike sculpture here on this Frisco Highline bike trail. Chris is leading the way, which is so nice for me to be with someone that knows the way. Oh dear, this does not look good. Huh. Well. Yeah, we definitely have an obstacle in our path. Yeah, this is a bit of an issue here.
We might have to go back to...
Yeah, no choice but to turn around the trikes, head back to the road, and go around this obstacle. Big tree. They've had a huge storm on Friday, so it's Sunday, and crews will probably be out here on tomorrow to clean up this trail. Just warming yourself up here out on the trail, huh? Yeah.
Come on. He says it's too cold yet.
Oh, he's really coiled.
Yeah, he is. They can look really mean.
Yeah.
You see how he can flatten his head
Yeah.
and make it look like a triangle?
Yeah, he's looking really...
Yeah.
I'm fierce.
Yeah.
I'm a
Go on,
fierce,
go on,
fierce
go on.
snake. Oh, wow, he bit you.
Yeah, he did.
Wow.
Go. Get. There you go.
Wow.